What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, y'all know me, man. I'm the passive income king. Y'all know this already, and I think I have found the latest addition to my passive income army that is absolutely obliterating my need to ever work for money again. But this is a heavy hitter too. This one is a great one. I've been using it for the past couple of days, and it's been making me some pretty good, consistent money. I'm actually very excited to share with you. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the post notification bell, because I'm dropping straight gems, and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems so you can scoop them up. You see that? You guys fast. You gotta scoop them up fast. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. I said already, and let's just hop right into this. Wait. Before we hop into the video, I have to tell y'all, I feel like I would be a bad person if I didn't tell y'all. My Patreon is something that is very valuable. I'm not gonna gas it up. I'm just gonna say 3 simple words. We 60x all of our freaking money. You know what I'm saying? On a play I put out, like, I think it's 3 days ago. We're up over 60x on our investment. I just put up another play yesterday too, that doubled in like 30 minutes or something like that. So we eating in there. If you want to be eating at the table with us, hit the Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/JoovierGems. Obviously, you could join it if you want. If you don't want to, you still need these free gems, so don't even sweat it. Don't even sweat it. You know what I'm saying? But for real, now let's just hop right into this video. All right, so boom. You guessed it. The garden, you know what I'm saying? The animal farm, it's all part of Drip. I've made multiple videos about Drip. You guys know that. I made multiple videos about the animal farm as well. You all know that. But there was a hidden gem that I did not know about. I obviously have seen it over here. It says Drip Garden. It was even on the Manor Farm, I believe. I cannot even type anything, I guess. Who is this? Wait, never mind. TheManorFarm.com. Well, themanor.farm. Come on, pull up. Yeah, it was even over here. Drip Garden right here. It's literally right there. But it's something I overlooked. I never really paid attention to it, you know what I'm saying? But it caught my eye, and now it has been catching me dollars, catching me Benjamins, you know what I'm saying? But basically what it is you're basically just adding Drip/BUSD liquidity tokens into the liquidity pool, and it's paying you out 3%. 3% every freaking day, completely passively. Now, keep in mind, once you put the money in here, you cannot take it out. But with 3%, you're getting your initial investment back in less than a month if you're compounding. And then you're just making a badookadeek amount of money. I don't even know what other word I could say except for badookadeek amount of money after that. And that's kind of what my plan has been. And it's been working out pretty good. I put in literally a little bit over $3,000 in there, and it's been printing me out. We can literally look right here. I have $91 in here. It's been printing me out roughly $100 every single day, and I've just been compounding it and compounding and compounding and compounding until it reaches paying me out $100 million a day, and then maybe I'll take profit one day, then compound the rest, you know what I'm saying? But this has been my little hidden gem. I told my people in the Discord about it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The most valuable thing probably on my Patreon, and I'm not even gassing it or nothing like that, is the Discord. The Discord is actually full of some like dope people. You know, I asked them a couple days ago, I was like, yo, what do y'all do for a living? These people are super smart. I don't even know why they listen to me. These people's like engineers and freaking somebody is like a freaking, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it sounds complicated, you know what I'm saying? But it's just good vibes in the Discord. I was just saying all that to say that I told them about this. But basically it is on the Binance Smart Chain, as with Drip. It does work kind of hand in hand with the animal farm, but it really is separate because you don't have to do anything on the animal farm. You don't have to do any of the farms. You don't have to do any of the pools. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to have no referrals to start with it. You can literally just go to the animal.farm and press Drip Garden right over here and just get started with it. Now, I'm gonna break it down really quickly because at first it was very confusing for me. I had to go and watch or read through the white paper. I had to watch a bunch of videos to understand what the heck it was, because I'm seeing plants, I'm seeing seeds, I'm seeing BUSD, Drip LP. I'm like, what the heck is plants and seeds have to do with Drip and BUSD? I was absolutely confused, but don't worry, I'm gonna make it very simple for you. You know what I'm saying? Basically, the plants are what grows this. It's just like real life. I'm not a gardener. I'm not a farmer. But I know this is, they say money don't grow on trees, but it definitely does grow through seeds. I should be a rapper. Forget this YouTube stuff. But it's really just like how it is in real life. You have plants. These are the plants. The plants is your initial deposit. So let's say you put $100 in here. I'm just kind of guessing, or these are not real numbers, but let's say you put $100 in here and it gave you 5 plants. Those 5 plants would then produce a certain amount of seeds per day, and it takes a certain amount of seeds to grow another plant. So let's say with that 5 plants, after 2 days, it gave you enough seeds to create another plant. Then you could come over down here and press plant seeds, which is to compound it. And then instead of having 5 plants, you would now have 6 plants. And now each plant is paying you out a certain amount of seeds per day. And the more you compound it, the more seeds you're gonna be getting every single day. To therefore either compound it more or go cash out and harvest your vegetables or your grocery. You don't harvest groceries. The fruits, harvest whatever the heck it is. But in this example, it would be harvesting these LP tokens, because basically these seeds can be sold or harvested for drip BUSD LP tokens, which are liquidity pool tokens basically. And then you can go ahead and just sell those if you want to cash out and get yourself some Chipotle or whatever the heck you want to get, some new Jordans, Balenciaga, I don't know, t-shirt or something, I don't freaking know. But you could go ahead and do that, or you can compound it. And that's kind of been my strategy with it so far. It's just been straight compounding. So now that I gave you kind of like a general overview of what the heck it is, you understand the plants now. You understand the plants is what you cannot take out. You cannot take the plants out for nothing. The seeds you can take out, but if you turn them seeds and plant them seeds and those turn into plants, you cannot take those plants out. But the more plants you have, the more seeds you will get, which means the more money you will make in the end. So basically that has been my whole strategy. Well, I have not even said my strategy. I've given you guys an overview of what the heck it is. So now, of course, go ahead and do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I say this all the time. Look at me. I don't even have a haircut right now. I need to go get a haircut. You know, maybe I'll cash up on these seeds. I'm gonna tell my barber I paid for this haircut with seeds. He could be like, what are you talking about? I'm gonna be like, bro, just go to the animal farm. You'll understand everything. And he's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. We're just friends. You know what I'm saying? We're best friends, actually, because we both is... Just shut up. You know what I'm talking about. But, so my strategy with this has been simply just compounding. I'm actually going to put more money in there right now, actually. I think I have some extra drip lying around. I'm going to make a drip tutorial video on Monday. I'm going to give you guys a full-fledged tutorial, my strategy that's optimizing my gains, but also shows you guys how much I'm actually airdropping, because people ask me all the time, are you airdropping still? How much do you airdrop? I airdrop almost every single day. I airdrop like $15,000, $16,000 every single week. I don't even claim money for myself. I barely even hydrate because I'm really just sending out to you guys. But in that video, I'm gonna do an airdrop live for y'all, so y'all watch me airdrop the money out in case y'all don't be believing me. But back to what I was saying, I think I have some drip that I claimed this morning. Yeah, I have 21 drip. So I'm going to convert that drip to BUSD, and then I will come through and do this. I'll actually do it on camera for you guys so you guys can follow through and see how you guys can get started in this if it is something you guys want to do. Keep in mind, before you invest into anything, I don't care who tells you to do it. I don't care how persuasive or how sexy I am. Do your own research, my guy. Do your own research before investing in any project. But, well, now you guys understand what the project is. Now you understand my strategy. My strategy is very simple. Compound. I'll probably get it up to 1,000 or 1,500 plants total. And then maybe one day I'll compound, one day I'll claim, one day I'll compound, one day I'll claim. Maybe, I don't know, I'll let you guys know in the future if my plans do change once I reach that 1,500 plant number. But now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can get started on it. So you guys need to have MetaMask. You should know this already. You need MetaMask and you need some BNB. After that, it's pretty simple. So if we actually go to, I have to go to PancakeSwap right now to swap. Actually, I'll do it right here. I'm going to swap my drip and sell my drip right now for BNB. So we're just going to press max right now. But y'all don't really worry about this part because a lot of you guys probably are not starting in using with drip. Dang, I just choked on my saliva. What the heck going on? But honestly, you don't even need PancakeSwap as long as you have either BUSD or BNB inside of your MetaMask. So I'm gonna wait for this to go through. Purchase is successful. It gave me my BNB tokens now. I now have, I think it gave me 6 tokens or something like that. I don't know. So now we're gonna come to the animal farm. There's a cool tool right here that really makes it very simple to get these drip/BUSD liquidity pool tokens, because that's what you need to put in here. That's what's gonna turn into your plants. So all we're gonna do is come over here to the drip liberation. We're just gonna go and we're gonna swap the BNB that we just got from the drip that I just sold. Once this actually decides to work, let's just try refreshing it, because for some reason it wants to make me look like a fool out here. BUSD, let's type in BNB, there we go. And I'm just gonna put 6 BNB in there right now. We're just gonna press supply, we're gonna press confirm supply. It'll give me the tokens. I literally just press, hello sir, hello sir, hello sir. I'll be right back. All right, so now let's try this. Supply, confirm supply. Come on, now we just gotta confirm it, and then it's just going to basically just convert our BNB, or if you wanna use BUSD, but in this instance, it's gonna convert our BNB to drip/BUSD liquidity tokens, which is what we're going to use to put inside the garden. So now it has confirmed, we now have 59 of the drip BUSD tokens. So now we're just gonna come back to the drip garden. It's very simple from here. Let me just compound these first, because I don't wanna lose them. So you're just gonna press confirm. I'm gonna compound the available seed balance that I have right now, which is enough. You see seeds available this much, but right here it tells you how many you have available. So 15 plants available. And I just compounded it and now added it to my plants grown. Now let's put in the drip BUSD tokens that I just got from converting the BNB. All we're gonna do right here is come here, we'll press max, and then we're just gonna press buy 370 plants. So if we do the math on that, it is 59. So I guess each token is, let me do the math really quickly. Let me bring the calculator over here. So 370 plants is gonna give me with 59 tokens. So it's technically 6.2, it's somewhere around here, 6.2 plants per drip/BUSD token. So let's go over here and confirm this on MetaMask now. So it'll then go and be added to our plants grown area. Wait for it to go through, 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 wait for it to go through. It's still not going through. I think it went through. It has now went through. We now have 967 plants right now. And keep in mind, I told you guys it's paying out 3% every single day. So I think I have in there right now maybe $5,000 worth. So it's gonna pay me 3% of that every single day. When I had $3,000 in it just now before I did all this other stuff, it was paying me out a little bit over $100 every single day with a $3,000 investment, which is absolutely freaking amazing. Absolutely freaking amazing. We love to see it. I told you guys I'll show you guys a little tool that you can use to kind of calculate how many seeds you have and all that different type of stuff. This is the website I found. It is kind of glitchy, but if you see right here, this is the previous data that I had before. I had 582 tokens inside or plants inside here, and that's worth $3,425. And you see right here the buy day, it was paying me out $114 every single day. So now if we update the information, like I said, it was being kind of glitchy before. I don't know if it'll work now. Oh, now it does work. So now it's about my plants, my 967 plants are valued at $5,695, and it's paying me out almost $190 every single day. It has a bunch of other cool features on here as well, as you guys can look at. It shows you when your plants will be ready to compound. It gives you the times. It said it'll be done at 2, then 3, 4, whatever the heck it says. So you can go through here if you want. This is the website up here, but I'll also leave the link inside the description. I'm not affiliated with this website at all. I just found it because it just breaks it down simply. But anyways, y'all, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what the heck you think in the comments down below. Hopefully I made it very simple. Hopefully it is something that you would not just go and invest in, but go research it first so you fully understand it. I know I made it simple, but go understand it for yourself and make sure you understand it. Like I said, you cannot take your money out once you put it in there. So be careful. Don't put $100 million in there thinking you can go take that out and go buy a Lamborghini the next day. It's not gonna work like that. You know what I'm saying? But that is it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn the post notification bell, because I'm dropping straight gems. You're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop the gems. And if you want to get closer to me, you want to be my bestest of friends, hit my Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/Joovier's gems. It is very lit in there. We have a good time. We make a lot of money. We make good friends. It's just a good vibe. But that's about it. Good luck on your trades. Good luck on your crypto. Good luck on your garden. Good luck on your planting. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.